What up, bros? It's a wonderful day because I got new parts to install on the FRS coilovers. So as you can see, I got the car up on jack stands already, so I'm just gonna take the wheels off and get started and show you how to install coilovers. Pro tip. I'm not a pro, but this is still a pro tip. If you drive a rear wheel drive car, make sure you loosen the lug nuts before you jack the car up, or that's what happens. Yeah, I forgot. Alright, let's try this again. But here's the coilovers we're putting on. And spacers.
You got one big enough for this?
For that?
Yeah. You tell me yes.
You don't? I was hoping you did.
It's
Dang.
just a little bit bigger than the ones I got, the biggest one that I got.
I'm gonna have to go scrounge through the bucket and see if I can find some.
Either that or, oh actually, I might not need it. Let me see.
Ah, I got one.
You do?
I can't believe it.
You got a thing for it? I got one. All right, now let's hook the second one. Hey, go ahead and start lubing up them other ones.
I'm pretty sure I sprayed them all already. I'll put them again though.
Yeah, spray them again.
Let's just hope and pray nothing goes wrong.
I know, right? What is this connected to? I can't see. I need a light.
It's connected right there.
Huh? I can't see nothing.
Yeah, it's connected in 2 spots.
I just pull it off?
No, it's a bolt on it.
Where's the bolt? I need a light. I just need to see what it's connected. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you good.
I'm pretty sure one of them, something that is connected to a bolt.
Oh, no, it's just connected to a push-in thing.
What did I see that was connected to a bolt? That, oh, the brake line right there, but that don't have to.
I don't have to take that off.
Yeah, you do. That's connected to
This?
the,
Oh, I see, I see. It's connected to a bolt.
yeah, it's a bolt up on there.
Dang, son.
I almost cut my hand open on that metal part when I was changing those studs.
I done scraped my knuckles across concrete trying to put my lip on that Civic.
Oh man, that metal on the brake caliper, that junk is so
I'm gonna
sharp.
strip that. Oh, right here?
No, right in there. If you take that part off, that crap is sharp. It's like a razor. Okay, so the front one's almost ready to come out. Everything's undone.
Hey.
That's unbolted.
See my Gatorade.
Okay. And then
Let me try and step on it.
okay. And well, we just gotta work that out of its slot because it's being a pain in the butt to pull out.
I'm liable to bring the whole thing.
Come on! Do not forsake me.
Still ain't going nowhere?
Nope. It's not even plastic. Okay, bam.
Pop me the rods, I need a Gatorade. Should've brought some Hennessy.
Okay. The weird one going in like this. Yeah. We are not professionals.
Not professional.
Oh my god, this thing is so low. Holy smokes.
You gonna,
It's going to have to go. We're
what
going
about the tires first, honey?
Yeah, we're going to have to
Where the
jack.
bolts for it?
They're right there. We're going to have to jack it up to get the bolt back to the bottom.
Crap.
Alright.
Call out to work tomorrow.
I might not be going anywhere tomorrow. My knees hurt so bad. Yeah, that's one side done. Let's see. There's that side. Bro, I really hope these stock tires fit.
Dude, they're 17 by 17.
I know, but I'm just not used to this low life like you are.
You gonna be alright.
Okay, so we got that side and that one done. all bolted up. All we have left to do is tighten up this tie rod on this side. But boy, look at the fitment.
They're gonna be like, why is that dude
Look at that fitment. Holy crap. That is ridiculous.
It ain't even on the ground yet.
It's not even on the ground, and that's 2 fingers already. Not even 2 fingers. Wow.
What an assassination.
Alright. Well, we're done finally. What time is it?
Like, it is 3:43.
It's 3:43. What time did you get here?
Probably 11:30.
11:30. 4 hours to do coilovers. Putting the last tire on.
No, not the last.
Well, next to last tire. My bad. And then we'll lower it down and show you the fit. Oh my God, this thing's gonna be so low. This is gonna take a lot of getting used to.
I'll teach you how to do it, boy.
It's not crushed in WD-40. We'll see.
Go slow. That's what she says.
Oh, it's hard.
I'm worried that you removed one of them too early.
I'm so scared.
Put one back right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Disclaimer for anybody watching this video. We're not professionals. Don't do it like us. Because if you die, it's not my fault.
Or if it breaks on them.
I'll clean up all this mess. Some other day.
Well, you stupid, though. You just got like 300 horsepower.
Okay, here goes a moment of truth.
Perfect.
Holy crap!
I think you ain't even maxed out yet, dude.
It can go lower than that.
Yeah, you still got like 2 inches left.
Wow. It can actually go lower. Holy smokes.
Tough, bro.
Yeah, let's stiffen that up a little bit. And tighten those bolts up in the back.
Yeah. Dude, your car is I'm so proud of you.
Wow. I told myself I wasn't going to do this. And
Dude.
here we are. Look at the camber in the back.
I told you it's going to get natural camber.
Wow.
On the 7.5, boy.
God, I gotta get these fingers cut and get the new wheel.
So much camber on such little tire. Oh, that was good.
Can't drive my car hard for like a week.
Dude, that is so much camber.
Wow. This is hilarious. Well, I guess I'm gonna take this thing for a ride now. This should be interesting. First time in a stance car. Oh my God, this is awkward. Stance life, bro. It's lit. Yeah, when it said BC Racing Extreme Low, they were not joking. Oh yeah, that's definitely stiffer. Oh my God, they had the steering wheels tighter. I like the way it accidentally joined stance life. Oh man.
You can hear your exhaust hitting on the frame. I miss that sound. Sweet, sweet frame action.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Man, I really appreciate it.
Oh yeah, man.
I would not have been able to do this by myself. I would be in here balled up and crying.
You know, static life specialist up in here.
Yeah, that's you. I guess I'm joining you now.
Well, I'll be bagged soon, so.
Oh yeah, this nigga's getting bags. Oh, camera's about to die. We got done just in time.
Oh my God. I had to throw myself out of there.
Yeah, it was bad enough before. Like I told my
pulled over and they searched your car, you might have some ibuprofen laying in the crack of your seat.
Okay, that's fine. All right, man. Appreciate it.
All right, man. Ain't no problem. We got a whole season.
Yeah, still a lot more work to do.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. I appreciate you watching. I got a lot of mess to clean up in here before next week. You get ready for the next part of the build. Look how low that is. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Even if it wasn't very helpful for you to install your coilovers, sorry about that. But we didn't know what we were doing. Ran into a lot of hiccups because we don't have all the right tools we need. But yeah, peace out, man.